Welcome my friends, I am Birdman the Welder. Today we're going to be looking at a new addition to the already outstanding lineup of BESSEY clamps, the GZ series. So let's have a look. So here we are in Birdman the Welder HQ. For those of you who don't know me, I am Birdman the Welder. This little beauty I have in my hand is the GZ30-12. It's 12 inches long. It's got a 4 3/4 inch throat depth here. They come in 10 inch, 12 inch, 16 inch, 20 inch, all the way up to 24 inch. But the real beauty about this clamp is this pivot handle. I mean, this thing's great. You can hear, listen up close. You've got that little ball detent in there that is just, it's music to a fabricator's ear. As always, made in Germany with German BESSEY steel, providing you the utmost in strength and durability. This thing is a beauty. Let's look at the advantages of this pivot handle clamp. Okay, so what this is allowing you to do is get right in close to the work with the handle without having to fuss with that traditional sliding pin handle or lever handle. With a quick 3/4 turn, you're locked in solid with 1,100 pounds of clamping force. Very little effort. Now this is gonna come in real handy for us, in particular on like ornamental railings where the pickets are close together, or we're trying to put in that final termination and we want to lock that puppy in tight. This is going to be where that shines for us. Also, I think steel and glass panel walls where we get into tight corners and there's not a lot of room. Other key features that I find useful, it's a rubber handle. So if we're dealing with powder coated finish already or plated finish, there's no worry about this ball detent handle falling out of place or scratching a surface. It's nice rubber coated and it's locked in place, whereas those traditional pin handles sometimes can, they get a little hairy. One thing to note is that this handle is not necessarily designed for you to reef on for extra leverage. It is designed for the finesse, for the convenience, for the versatility of the tool. This is a medium duty clamp. If you want something with a lot of force, you're going to want to bump it up to a heavy duty clamp. Please hit me in the comments with any fabricating questions or any BESSEY questions you may have. I'm happy to answer, happy to help you figure out which application is going to be best suited for your needs. The goal of this video series is to really, educate the end user, educate you on what style and what series of clamp will be best suited for your needs, so that when you do spend your money and you invest in these clamps, that you're getting best bang for your buck.